Hey, what's up everybody? It's DJ Jer here with Shop Time, and I'm going to show you the trifecta when it comes to lighting design or event design for weddings and corporate parties and things like that. So right here, this is basically where it all lives. You have, I'm going to turn this one around so you can see the, oh, you can see it. Okay. So here you have the Freedom H1, which comes in white. You have the Freedom Q1N, and then you have the Freedom Centerpiece, which is on the bottom. And the thing I want to kind of show with this is what this is going to do. This is going to illuminate everything that you need on your table, from the centerpiece, from above, from below. It's going to illuminate your table. All that's going to be able to happen with these three fixtures together. So if you're looking for a home run when it comes to table design or event design, this is going to be it. So just to kind of break it down for you, the Freedom Centerpiece is going to illuminate your centerpieces from the bottom up. It's going to, and you kind of see with my hand here, it's going to be able to create a nice purple on the inside, and it's going to create a nice white on the overflow of the floral on the outside. From there, you're going to pin spot, you're going to spot using the Q1N with the narrow beam. You're going to be able to spot that nice and bright compared to the the Easy Pin. This is going to give you a lot more controllability. And the last thing is you're going to illuminate the entire table. So here you can see the white spread there compared to the N1, which is, or the 1N, the Q1N, which is going to be the tighter beam. So again, this is going to allow you to get table illumination. The coolest thing about all this is all programmable, and it's all done through the DeFi because it's all battery powered, being a Freedom series, and it also is going to give you the capabilities of controlling this through your FlareCon or through your any DeFi network. You can program, you can do a lot of cool things with all three of these together in one being in the Freedom series. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can reach me at jeremy@djjershoptime.com. Thanks for watching. Comments down below, questions. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.